Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Natalia and today I'm here to put you on, girl. We all know what it is to struggle to find the perfect bra. Whether you have a small chest, a big chest, a medium chest, no chest, we're all just looking for one thing, okay? Comfort. And today I am here to put you on because listen, I've been a girl for 27 years now. I think I've done enough research, and when I tell you these are it, these are it. So today I've got 5 bras. It may be a little bit more because I have some in different colors, but 5 bra styles that you need because they will change your life. Of course, if you enjoy these kinds of videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up as well as hit that subscribe button so you can join the fam bam, and let's get into it. Now, the first thing I mentioned as the most important quality for us is comfort. Now, for me, if I want something that is going to be decent quality and is going to give me the comfort I want and not break the bank, because honey, some bras are very expensive, very, very expensive. I mean, Victoria's Secret. I have one Victoria's Secret bra in this list and it's only for a particular reason, but bras can be super pricey. So for me, my go-to place is Target. So I have 2 gems here. This first one is my go-to nude bra, and it's just a t-shirt bra from Target. Now, the brand of this particular one isn't on here, but this is just in the t-shirt section of Target, the t-shirt bra section, and I love it. It's so freaking comfortable. The material's so nice. I've had this bra for, I want to say maybe going on 2 years or so, and it's just lasted so well through so many washes, and the color hasn't faded, the padding hasn't faded. The only thing that's happened is it started to get a little bit wrinkled on some areas, but who really cares? Like, I'm putting a top over it, so that really doesn't matter to me. And I just love this material. It's so soft. It feels so good against my skin, and it also gives me a little bit of a lift. Not too much like a full-on push-up bra, which we'll talk about later, but this just doesn't like flatten my chest, but it doesn't give a super boost. This is just the perfect everyday bra. If you just want something to throw on, you run in the supermarket, you're running around doing errands, whatever, this is the bra that you go to. I love this one. A part of that same family with the t-shirt bra is this next one. Now, this one is one that I think everyone should own. This t-shirt cotton material bra. This is so soft and so comfortable. I swear you will forget that you're wearing this. Like, it's happened to me plenty of times. I don't like to sleep in my bras, but most of these I would feel okay with falling asleep in. I just don't like the restriction when it comes to like me sleeping in a bra, but these are so comfortable that honestly, it doesn't make a difference whether I do or I don't. But I just love this material against my skin. Again, this also reminds me of, you know how Target has like the t-shirt material bed sheets? Like, that's exactly what this is. This literally feels like a t-shirt. It's so comfortable. I love the color, and this comes in different colors at Target too. I just got the blue one because I didn't have a blue bra. I love it. Like, this is perfect. Again, like the other, it gives me a little bit of a lift, but nothing too crazy. So perfect, perfect, perfect for every single day. So now, stepping away from Target, these next bras, and they're the same bra, I just have 2 different colors, I think I can say are my all-time favorites. Like, they've definitely taken first place over those last 2. While those 2 are perfect for every single day and I love them so much, these just serve me on a different level, honestly, that I didn't even know that I needed. So I have a smaller chest. I'm a 32B for reference. So I wanted something that I could just throw on again underneath anything and forget about it. And these are amazing. They're a little bit wrinkled because they just came out of the wash, and oh God, you might see like little fuzzies on it because it was in there with a fuzzy sweater and they got all over. But I just really want to show you guys. So these are the Skims Fits Everybody Everyday Bra. I think it's called the Everyday Bra. I'll leave the exact name down below. I have the nude one and I have the black one here. And you guys, when I tell you that you will forget what you're wearing, like, I'm not even kidding. Like, the other ones, yes, but these are so amazing. And they look just like sports bras. I've never used it as a sports bra, but I'm sure you can. Doesn't really make a difference, but I just use these as an everyday bra underneath whatever I'm wearing. Now, these are not push-up or anything at all. Like, I have a smaller chest, and so it doesn't give me any sort of lift. It literally just provides coverage, and I love it. Like, I love it. It's so supportive. This is a size small, and it doesn't feel tight. It doesn't feel like I'm like itching and can't wait to take it off. Like, it really doesn't. Again, I've washed this several times already, and the material is still super nice. Whatever you guys think about Kim Kardashian, like, she knew what she was doing when she did this. That's all I gotta say. So if there's any bra that you leave with today, let it be these. Like, they're a little bit pricier. I wanna say they're like 32 bucks. But honestly, $32 for a really good bra is worth every penny. Like, the comfort is priceless. So this is so good. I'm sorry if I'm like showing it over here, but these are so good and I love them. And so I needed to get 2 different colors for depending on what I'm wearing, but I love them so much. You definitely need it. Sticking with Skims, these are newer to my collection, but I love them so much already. And these are also a part of the same Fits Everybody line. And I got 2 of the bandeaus. Now, I got a black one, and then I got this beautiful like olive green colored one. It's called Juniper. And you guys, I never was a part of the bandeau train because, again, I have a smaller chest, and I just felt like some strapless bras or whatever I tried to make work there never really worked for me. It would always slip down or be too tight to where it was uncomfortable. Not these, you guys. Like, these wrap around and grip like nobody's mother. I don't even know if that's a saying, but you know what I mean. These are really good. The material on these, like on the others, is so nice. It's so comfortable. It doesn't feel irritating on your skin, and they're just very comfortable. And everyone needs a good strapless bra. Because, you know, if you're wearing a strapless shirt, you're wearing a halter shirt, whatever it is, you just need a good strapless one. And I figured that instead of getting a traditional strapless bra, I would try bandeaus out. And so far, I really like these. These, again, retail, I think, for like $20-something. I'll make sure to link everything down below for you guys. But if you have not jumped on the bandeau train yet and you were like me and a little nervous, don't be. I'm telling you, these are the way to go. I just really like the Skims line. I've bought quite a few pieces from there, and pretty much everything I've tried has been really good, and especially the bras. The bras are my favorite so far, and yeah, to me, you can't go wrong. Like, again, they're a little bit pricier, but to me, worth every penny. So last bra is one that every girl needs in her collection. If you have a smaller chest like I do, we all want like a little pick me up, a little lift me up, you know what I mean? And that is a good old push-up bra. Now, this is one that I got from Victoria's Secret, and this one is probably the most amazing push-up bra I've tried. Victoria's Secret can be hit or miss for me, and that's why I don't own a lot of bras from them. I only own 2. This one and the one that I'm wearing, which is not even my correct size, which is part of the reason why I don't shop there too often, because I feel like the sizing is always off. Like, one time you shop there, you're this size. The next time you shop there, you're this size. Like, to me, it would always vary. Therefore, their push-up bras for me would always just leave like a gap between the bra and my boob. And that doesn't work. Like, when I want support, I want full support, like cupping everything. And so I had a gift card from there, and I was like, I need to use this gift card. Might as well get another push-up bra since the one that I have isn't really working for me. This one is a hit, I'm telling you. Push-up bras, to me, no matter which ones I get, always feel like you're wearing a bra. Like, all the ones that I've tried, I've always felt like I'm wearing a bra, and at the end of the night, I can't wait to take it off. But this one is so comfortable. I'm gonna link this specific one down below because they have a bajillion push-up bras. But I don't know if it's just the material or if the fact that this is the perfect size. Like, this is a 32B. This is not, you know, a mix in between. It's not like, oh, size up a little bit if you're looking for this size. Like, no, like, this is true to size for me. When I'm wearing it, it's giving me the lift and the support that I want. and making me feel confident with, you know, what I'm trying to accomplish, who I'm trying to show off to. Nobody, my man, but you know, it is what it is. But I love this one. I got it in traditional black, obviously, because you can wear it with absolutely anything. The padding is really, really good in here. It's super soft and just easy. Like, this is one that I know I can throw on and feel good about. Same with all of these. Like, that's what you want. You want to feel confident, you want to feel sexy, and you want to feel comfortable. Like, comfortable. Like, men will never get it. Men will never understand what it's like to have to wear a bra and have the wire be poking you, stabbing you in the back, to have your boobs falling out because the size isn't right, to have the straps keep falling down, all that stuff. Like, they don't get it. But all of these, I find, are super comfortable, super easy. I don't have to think about them, and that's the main thing. Like, that's all I could want in a good bra, is just to not even think about it. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Let me know if you've tried any of these bras that I've mentioned and what you think about them, because we all need to share the love. We all need to put each other on, because it'd be hard out here. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified anytime I post a new video. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.